Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Shein++ totally for free both in Android and iOS. With this app you'll be able to get clothes and stuff on Shein free of charge and with free shipping. So this is how the app is gonna look like once you open it. Let's just wait together until the app loads, and here it is. Everything is gonna be for free and free shipping as well. And I'm gonna show you how to get this app both in Android and iOS. If you are in an iOS device, to get the app installed there is a couple of settings that you need to change on your phone just to prepare it for the installation of Shein++, and once you get the app you can change the settings back to normal. If you are on Android, then there is no settings that you need to change, so you can skip to the part where I open the browser and show you where to get the app. So in iOS devices, firstly make sure that your orientation is locked just like this. Once you've locked orientation, you need to go to settings, and once you are on the settings page, you need to find the general settings tab, and when you are on the general settings, go to background app refresh and make sure that background app refresh is turned on. For me it's on already, but if it's off for you, if it says background app refresh off like this, then you need to simply tap on it and then again tap on Wi-Fi and mobile data to turn it on. So this is all the settings that you need to change on your iOS device. If you are on Android, now is the part that you should start following this tutorial, because the steps from now until the end are the same on both devices. So next, you need to open your browser on both phones and then go to this website, which is injectme.online. So once you are on injectme.online, to find Shein++, there is a couple of ways. You can either scroll down until you find the app, or you can just go to the search bar and start searching for Shein, and you're gonna see that Shein++ is gonna show up just like this. Now to install the app, you need to simply tap on it and then tap on the start injection button to basically start injecting Shein++. Now for the injection to be successfully completed, you will be redirected in a new window where you need to complete a couple of more steps which are very well explained, and then once you complete these extra steps, only then you'll be able to get Shein++ on your phone, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So it says here that we need to download two apps and yep, complete the instructions. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna start with the first app and I'll choose one of the apps from the list here. And in my case, I'm gonna go on and choose this one over here called IRL Social Calendar, because in the instructions it says that I need to simply sign up for an account. So I'm gonna fast forward this part of the video while I download this first app, install it, and then sign up for an account. Another thing I should mention is that depending on the country you're watching this video from, and depending on the platform being Android or iOS, you might get different apps to download with different instructions, so don't worry if you don't see the apps that are on my verification window. Once you're done with the first app, you need to go back to the browser and choose a second app. In my case, I'm gonna choose Norton Secure VPN, because in the instructions it says that I need to simply download the app, install it, and then run it for 30 seconds. So let me fast forward this part of the video one more time while I download Norton Secure VPN, install it, and then run it for 30 seconds. So once you're done with both apps, the last step is the easiest of them all, because all you need to do next is that you need to simply wait 5 to 10 minutes, and once you do wait, then Shein++ is gonna be installed on your phone automatically, and it's gonna look just like this. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and don't hesitate to go and try it yourself to get Shein++. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also you can turn on notifications if you wanna watch more tutorials like this one over here. Have a good day and enjoy the app.